Today I have for you a recipe for a nourishing lip gloss. It gives amazing shine due to the castor oil, while the cacao butter and beeswax are great for nourishing and softening the lips. To make the lip gloss, I weighed 6 grams of castor oil, 2.5 grams of cacao butter, and half gram of beeswax. I transfer everything to a water bath until the fats dissolve. If you want a vegan version, use soy wax. However, add more of it, up to 1 gram, because soy wax is softer than beeswax. Then I remove the fats from the water bath and add brown mica powder to it. I use 2 large pinches. The amount of mica depends on your preference. The more mica, the more intense and more covering effect on the lips. You can also choose different colors of the mica powder. Then I add 1 drop of vitamin E, which will protect the oils from going rancid, but will also have protective and nourishing properties for the lips. You can also add essential oil to improve the smell and taste of the lip gloss. I choose orange oil and added 2 drops of it. I mix everything for the last time, then close the jar and place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes until it gets solid. You can also use a lip gloss container, like I did with my pink lip gloss. For this purpose, after mixing all the ingredients, transfer everything in a water bath again, because the mass must be liquid. Next, I pour the lip gloss into a syringe, remove the air, and then transfer it in the packaging. The pink version can be used not only on the lips, but also as a blush. The cosmetic leaves the skin soft and moisturized, and the pearly shade of mica gives a shimmering effect. Let me know what do you think about these lip glosses. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!